So you can't learn physics by watching. You have to do physics. A lot of knowledge happens and is created in those interactions.
We love to work together to figure out how things in the universe work.
A lot of schools, it's really competitive to whether or not you can even get research.
I have a student working with me this summer who is a first-year student.
I started research at the end of the second semester.
My very first summer.
Right? Knowledge isn't something that just resides in our head. It gets built when people think out loud and communicate with each other.
You look at a problem and treat it like an object and turn it around.
And then you get it, you just get the best feeling in the world.
I don't really lecture very much at all. My goal is for my students to learn the most that they can.